So this question asks, what is the minimum burial depth required for a 120 volt residential branch circuit using type UF cable under a driveway with GF-CI protection? And we have 4 different answer options. We have A, 12 inches, B, 18 inches, C, 24 inches, and D, 6 inches. Now, in order to answer this question, we can turn our attention to table 300.5 from the NEC, which has a dedicated row for 1 and 2 family dwelling driveways and outdoor parking areas, which applies to our question. Now within that row, column 4 says residential branch circuits rated 120 volts or less with GF-CI protection and maximum overcurrent protection of 20 amps. And the minimum cover for this is 12 inches, which corresponds to answer option A. So again, if we take a look at our question, the question is asking for that minimum burial depth for a 120 volt residential branch circuit using type UF cable under a driveway and with GF-CI protection. So this matches exactly with A, 12 inches, and indeed that is the correct answer. But what about the other answer options? Let's go through them briefly. So for B, 18 inches, this is close, but as they say, no cigar, because this is the minimum cover for the same residential driveway installation without the GF-CI protection. But of course, in our question, we have with GF-CI protection. So B is not correct. Then we have C, 24 inches. And again, of course, this is incorrect. This is the minimum cover under streets, highways, alleys, driveways, and parking lots, so it's not limited to dwelling use. And again, we're concerned with dwelling use. This is a residential branch circuit. So C is also not correct. And then lastly, we have D, which is actually not even included in the table, so D is of course not correct. 6 inches is only the minimum cover when the wiring method is RMC/IMC and in a trench that is below a 2-inch concrete slab. And that's in comparison to a UF direct burial under a driveway. So once again, the correct answer is A, 12 inches.